Here's an audio related problem inside Davinci Resolve version 18. Here's this clip on the timeline, and if I want to change the clip speed and type in more than 1000 here, then the audio will have a synchronization problem. Currently there is nothing here on the left side, there is silence, and if I type in 1100, change the clip speed, then notice here on the left side some audio just appeared. And if I use here at change clip speed, if I use just 1000 change, then this portion will disappear like so. So how to have good audio without unsynchronization if you use higher speed than 1000? Well, simply create a compound clip. So currently let's change the speed of this clip to 100, change. Now it's back to its original state. Now right click on that clip, new compound clip. Yes, create it. Now it's not an MP4 file but a compound clip. The MP4 is inside this one. This is like a folder and inside there is the MP4 file. Now speed up this one. Change clip speed. Let's use the same value, 1100. Change, and notice the audio is fine. No unwanted audio appeared here on the left side. Even if I use a higher value, let's say 2000, the audio is still fine. Nothing unwanted appeared there. If you want to eliminate the compound clip, then you have to first change the clip speed back to 100, change it. And then you can decompose in place using clips only, and instead of a compound clip you will have the MP4 using clips only, and it's back to its original state. So long story short, if you want to have higher speed than 1000, that is 10 times speed, then first create a compound clip and speed up that one to, let's say, 2000%.